Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, even. I'm Mrs. Joaquin, and I am one of the U.S. history teachers in the Flex Academy this year. Our other teacher is Mrs. Lecklider, and you'll be hearing from her very soon in another video that you will be watching here shortly. We wanted to take a second to welcome you to our asynchronous U.S. history course. That means we won't be having live meets this year, but we are available for support when you need it. So you have our contact information in our Google Classrooms. That's pretty important to remember. And we wanted to show you how to navigate this course because that's how you're going to be successful. So just so you are aware, you will be actually accessing this website in order to do the lessons and stay on pace within your course. So all of your content will be in here, and all the directions you need to access quizzes or tests or other assignments will be in this course. So congratulations to you if you have navigated to this website. You're in exactly the right place, and that means you were able to access your Google Classroom as well. So I'm going to show you a couple of things to help you get started, and then I'm going to let you get started. You're on the home page right now. You're watching a video that is located in this spot right here. And then what you are going to do once you've finished, it tells you to navigate to Unit 1, the Gilded Age. That's where you're going to start. So you're going to click over here on this navigation bar. And if you don't see it, you may have to hit a little, kind of looks like a hamburger type of icon on the top, and that will show you where this navigation bar is. So you're going to click on the Gilded Age, and that is going to show you all of the lessons that you'll be working through. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, because you are a conscientious student, is read through this pretty short little intro, look at our compelling question, and then it's going to show you how to navigate this unit. So it tells you what's in the unit, and then it's going to direct you to where you go next. So you're going to click on the intro and review reconstruction, and basically you work your way through the course that way. So you want to do it in chronological order. That's really the best way for us to move through the units of U.S. history. And that's what you will be looking at. So I'm going to show you an example of some directions in here and how they tell you kind of where to go. So if you are looking at this first lesson, Capitalism and Free Enterprise, it's going to have you access your lesson here. So you'll simply click on that button. And it's going to pull up your lesson. You'll see it here. And you'll go through your lesson, scrolling down. There are also links at the top, so you'll want to navigate those pages as well. So don't forget about those, or else you might be in trouble when you're taking your quizzes. Once you have done that and you've accessed that lesson, you're going to scroll down and it's going to give you directions on how to access your quiz. So after nearly every lesson, you will have a quiz. It's going to tell you where to go. So you're going to go back to your U.S. history page. You're going to click on classwork. And if you look at the Gilded Age, there's going to be a quiz here for you. There will be a link once you click on that assignment. It's not in there yet because you're not live yet, or our class hasn't gone live yet. So it will be there. You'll click on the quiz that is there and you will take it. So it is pretty straightforward in terms of how you're going to navigate this course, and you'll work your way through the different lessons. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up. Sometimes when you click on the lesson buttons to access a lesson, it might ask you for a sign-in or a login to Blackboard or to eSchool. If it asks you for that, you simply hit cancel and your lesson will show up. It's just kind of a little glitchy thing that may happen with a lesson or two. It won't happen with most of them, but we did notice that it was a glitch that was happening. So that's how you're going to navigate and use our website and use your Google Classroom to submit work. You will also have a couple of writing assignments, and we'll get you geared up and ready for those as you move through your lessons, but those will also be in here in terms of directions. As you're moving through, you are moving through at different paces, but you want to pay attention to our pacing guide, which we will put in Google Classroom. And that's just going to tell you that you want to, follow that recommended pace so that you are able to show that you've been participating and working, even if it's at your own hours. That's totally fine, but we do need to see that you are working, completing work, working through lessons, and working through quizzes. So the first 2 units are made available to you, and those are the 2 units that we are going to concentrate on and we're going to work through during this first grading period. So that's a little over a month of work. It's about 6 weeks, in fact, and that's what we will be working through. So if you have questions as you are navigating, again, reach out to us. We will be reaching out to you to make sure that you are doing okay in terms of navigation and starting your work. So we're looking forward to working with you, and we hope that we have a great year. We know things will come up, especially at the beginning of the year, and we are here to help you. Thank you. Have a great day.